welcome back to my YouTube channel. Again, my name is Siobhan Smith. I'm the first lady of all trades, and today I'm going to show you, now in my previous video I did a couple weeks ago, I showed you how to do an infinity scarf that was black. What I didn't do, what I'm going to show you right now, is how to add your additional yarn, because you only have so much yarn when you're crocheting, and then when you run out, I'm going to show you how to adjust it. Now before, remember, we did 30 stitches, we did 30 chains, and then we began to crochet, and I showed you how that, and I'll show you that link to that video will be down in the comment section. So where I'm right now is that I'm about to run out of yarn, as you can see right here. And what I need to do is to join it, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So what you're going to do is you're going to continue to crochet, and we're doing double crochets, remember, from the last video. So I'm going to yarn over, go through, pull over, and go through 2 loops. And then I'm going to go through two more loops, and then I'm going to do the same thing. Yarn over, go through, yarn over, pull through. I'm going to pull through 2, and then the last 2. Okay, now I'm almost out. You see that? So what I'm going to do is very simple. Super, when I say simple, I mean super simple. All you're going to do is you're going to take this, you're going to tie a knot in it. That's it. As easy as this. Because if you look at some of your yarns, some of them, sometimes when you buy them, they have knots tied in them, which means that they've joined them to make a whole bolt like this. I'm using the same yarn, the Wool Ease Thick and Quick, and I'm using the same color, okay? And I'm going to take this and I'm just going to tie a knot. You see what I'm doing right here? I'm simply tying a knot in this. That's it. Okay? I'm tying a knot like this. That's all I did. You see that? And I'm going to show you how to thread that. You want to make sure that it's very tight. And it doesn't come loose. So we're going to make sure that it's tight like that. And it doesn't come loose. You see that? Make sure it's tight on both ends. Okay. Now that I have that, we're just going to continue to crochet as usual. And then we're going to thread these in at the end. And I'll show you how to do that. Okay. You're going to go through and you're going to continue to crochet like you were doing before. Yarn over, through, and we're going to do that all the way to the end. Okay, yarn over, go through your next one, yarn over. Okay, and you keep doing that all the way until you get to the end. Okay, and once you get to the end and once you're done, you see these little pieces right here? You're going to thread them through. And I showed you that in my other video. You're going to take I just took a small crochet needle. This one is a size 5. This is a size 10. And this is for this infinity scarf that I'm doing because I wanted it nice and chunky. But when I get ready to thread it through, I'm going to use a smaller one to go through. You can use a huge sewing needle, or you can use a crochet hook. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to feed these throughout the crochet chain so you won't be able to see it. And all I'm going to do is like this. If you see what I'm doing here, I'm taking this crochet hook and I'm feeding it through. Okay? And I'm going to take it through and I'm going to feed it through on this side so you can't see it. And you're going to keep doing that until it's gone. See that? Keep feeding it through. Do the same thing on the other side. Feed it through. You see, you can't even see it. Same thing here. And keep threading it through. You see? And if you have any little pieces that are left, you can just cut those off. Okay, and I'm going to do the same thing with this side. And that's it. Feed it through. And just keep feeding it through it until it disappears. Okay, just like that, just like so. All right, so that's how you, if you need to continue with your yarn, all you do is tie a knot in it. Very simple, very quick. So hopefully you enjoyed this, because I just want to let you guys know that at some point you're going to run out of yarn. That's why you need 2 or 3, and this is how you join it. It's very, very, very simple. Please comment, please like, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Again, my name is Siobhan Smith. I am the first lady of all trades, and I'll see you next time.